Strength training, also called weight training or resistance training, is an important part of any fitness routine. It helps make you stronger and also builds muscle endurance. With strength training, you move your body against some type of resistance, such as your body weight, free weights, like dumbbells, kettlebells or barbells or any other things. We have compiled a list of 25 workout with their names just for education purposes. Please feel free to add your variations in the comments section below. 25 strength training exercises for the best upper body workouts of all time.
At Sportywitty, our mission is to encourage people, of all ages, both men and women, to make physical activity and outdoor sports a part of their daily fitness routine. So, stay connected, and subscribe, and press that bell notification icon to stay updated. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.